Hello everybody, this is Brian back with a Algorand ALGO token update. Hope you're having a fantastic Saturday out there. Algorand is down 3.27% as I do this video, and it looks like we have a little correction going on here, but we'll dig in here a little bit deeper and see if we're going to get to these price targets we have up here. Got some exciting news here. The crypto rallies into the weekend. Bitcoin posts its best week since early of 2021. And actually, the right here, this is pretty exciting here. Cryptocurrencies resumed their rally on Friday, climbing above the 26,000 for the second time this week. Bitcoin ended higher by 7.46% at 26,868. It just nicked our target we have up there for Bitcoin. According to Coinmetrics, it posted a weekly gain of 34.13% in its best week since January of 2021, which was right before the first bull run that year. So that's pretty exciting. I mean, if Bitcoin hasn't made that big of gains since January of 2021, right before the first bull run that year, that's awesome. That's what we want to hear. I truly believe we're in an up leg here. I'm not saying we're in a bull run, but I do believe we're in a bull stage of the market. And I have this article here about Microsoft. Crypto wallet prototype discovered inside Microsoft Edge browser. The unreleased features suggest the tech giant is considering a deeper move into Web3. Microsoft may not be the first name to come to mind when it comes to blockchain. Still, the company has experimented with the technology for many years. According to screenshots shared on Twitter by Algorand, a pseudonym software researcher from Central Europe, Microsoft has added code that would integrate a non-custodial crypto wallet into the company's default Edge browser. How about that? Wow. I think everybody's been getting into crypto. And I mean, especially the big companies is what I'm getting at here. I think they know it's the future, and I think everybody wants to jump on board here before it's too late. But good for Microsoft. That's great to hear. Hope they end up releasing this thing. But the Fear and Greed Index, the market cap is actually up 1.18%. That's a total market cap of cryptocurrency. $1,186,000,000. $1,186,000,000,000. I'm sorry. Volume is up 86.7%. Looks like maybe people are jumping in and buying on this pullback. Bitcoin dominance is up 0.53%, and the market sentiment, we are at a 64 in greed. Biggest gainers and losers. You can see we still have some double-digit gainers here. I mean, yesterday there were some big numbers in the market, so a little bit of red over there. Nothing major. It's not a major pullback, that's for sure. Got your trending coins on the left, and let's dig into this algo move here some. The Bitcoin, I did want to show you that because we hit that target. We ended up just coming up and barely nicking this thing. But you can see right here, we just touched the bottom of our target we had for Bitcoin. And the reason we have that had them targets, in case you missed the video yesterday, is all this air in between here. There's just no resistance for Bitcoin. I still believe it has another leg up here before it might cool off a little bit more. But this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research on investing your money. But Bitcoin is looking fantastic. I think the 4-hour needs to cool off here. You can see it's overextended. And I believe the 1 hour also needs to cool down some. But you can see that RSI is getting high. The 1 is already down at the bottom. It's probably going to flatline down here until the 4 gets down there, I would imagine. But you can see that 5 waves up there we did, and it looks like all it's doing is back testing right there, this high. You can see it just came back tested it, touched it, and as soon as that 4 and the 1 get reset here, I believe we still have another leg up here. So that 5 waves, excuse me, you can see that 5 wave move we had here. I believe this 5th wave still has a little bit of leg on it here to go. Could have that minor little pullback there, but I believe we're going to end up in the middle up here somewhere, 28.7 area, something like that. But let's get into that Algorand chart here. sorry, I just really think it's important to show you the Bitcoin, what Bitcoin's doing in the market, because like we always say, that thing leads the market. But we've started this trend line here. Algorand has come back and retested that trend line. It's just cooling off. It's only down 3% for the day. So the 1 hour RSI down there is at the bottom, and the 4 is heading on its way down. Looks like another, looks like by sometime this evening or so, late Saturday night, that thing should be reset, and we should be getting another move up here, because this 4 you see in here. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do that. I would appreciate it so much. Please join the channel. We'd love to have you here. Going to do that giveaway at the end of the month here for 180A, and going to do it every month for one lucky subscriber. I think next month we're going to do 100 XRP. You can see this 5 leg up here to our big three wave, or pullback on the 4. I believe this thing is still going to bounce up here. I'm still shooting for that 25-cent area here on this thing. I'll keep an eye on this overnight. The reason that would line up is if you put the 4 hour and put a Fibonacci on this thing, it isn't. I don't see it just stalling out right here. Like I said, I believe we're in the making of a lot bigger move here coming in crypto, but we're only at the 50% retracement on this thing. It's still, this is, like I said, this isn't financial advice, but I still see this thing getting up to 25 cents before it might cool off for a while or whatever. But this 5th wave hasn't even went over this 3rd leg pull, but this 4th wave pullback yet. So I'm going to keep an eye on this overnight, guys, and I'll get back to you tomorrow on this. I hope you have a fantastic night, and thank you so much for watching my channel. I very much appreciate it.